Hey pizza lover, get ready for an addictive treat, the Paratha pizza recipe. Cut it into thin strips for non-stop pizza love. With just 4 ingredients including eggs, tomato seasoning and a frozen paratha. This pizza delivers a crispy bottom and an incredible flavor. Join me in this quick and easy recipe that will satisfy your pizza cravings in no time. If you're feeling hungry but you're short on time and ingredients, that's where this recipe comes in handy. All you need are 2 slices of frozen paratha. Yep, that's right. No fussing around with traditional pizza dough. No kneading and rolling and all those dough sticking on your fingers. Now here's the fun part. We're gonna take these paratha slices and cut them into thin mouth-watering strips. It's a simple trick that adds an extra crunch to every bite. Trust me, once you try it, you'll never go back to ordinary pizza crust again. It's time to prepare our delicious toppings. Grab some juicy tomatoes and dice them up for that burst of freshness in every bite. Add a tablespoon of tomato ketchup and a tablespoon of Thai chili sauce to the diced tomatoes. The chili sauce will add an extra zing of taste. And for the eggs, beat them up and give them a little seasoning. It's the little things that makes a big difference. We're all about flavor in this pizza, folks. To add a hint of freshness, let's cut up some spring onions. Cheesy time! No pizza is complete without a generous amount of melty mozzarella. Grab your grater and get to work. We want that gooey goodness all over our paratha pizza. Now let's bring it all together. Heat up a pan, drizzle a bit of olive oil and lay down those beautiful paratha strips. This is the best part. You don't need to have the paratha strips perfectly spread on the pan, making it super easy to fry. Fry the strips until they are slightly brown. Time for the magic to happen. Pour the yummy egg mixture over the paratha strips, making sure it goes into all the tasty spaces. The eggs will stick everything together and make our pizza feel soft and yummy. And remember to sprinkle those tiny tomato pieces on top. They give our pizza a tangy taste that makes it even more delicious. Get those cheese ready. It's time to shower our paratha pizza with that glorious grated mozzarella. Watch as it melts and envelops our creation in a blanket of gooey deliciousness. Every bite is a cheesy delight that will leave you wanting more. Remember my friends, patience is important. Cover the pan and let the paratha pizza cook on low heat. These slow cooking methods helps the flavor mix and become even more delicious. After 15 minutes, remove the pan cover and let it cook for another minute. The edges will turn a lovely golden brown, giving you the perfect combination of crispiness and tenderness. Finally, switch off the heat and get ready to enjoy your tasty paratha pizza. And there you have it, folks! A mouth-watering paratha pizza that's sure to satisfy your cravings. But wait, if you're looking for more delightful treats you won't want to miss, my other popular video, how I cheated my way to the best tiramisu ever. Trust me, it's a dessert masterpiece that'll leave you wanting more. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for joining me today and I'll see you in the next video.
Wow! Must try this at home.